Welcome to Baking for Joy. In this video, we're going to be making rock cakes. You're going to need to set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and you're going to need to have 2 baking trays. We can line those trays with baking paper, or if you have a silicone baking mat, that will work as well. If you enjoy this video, please press the like button, and please remember to check out my other baking videos I have on my baking channel. If you're ready, let's bake. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a great day and happy baking.